A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your car is by installing wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the proper installation steps. Using a cross wrench, loosen the stock bolt in the diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jack stand to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. To assist in removing the wheel hub, use a cross wrench to remove the stock bolt. Install a wheel hanger. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug bolt. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, after dissipating heat for the braking system. Install the ring and then install the stock bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly roll the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug bolts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle operation to ensure safe driving.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.